Okay, welcome to Odd Jobs. I've got the rare opportunity to use one of my wife's tools, one that I don't have, and this is a Dremel Saw Max. Saw Max comes with a whole bunch of blades, flush cuts, and all kinds of things. We've got a metal blade on here, and we simply have to just cut a couple of these drawer rollers and rails rollers, something of that nature, right? So we're just going to start this. Make sure we got some height on there, no problem. Going to pull this trigger up forward, and that's all it's going to take. Now, whenever you try a saw for the first time, remember which direction the blade is going to turn. So this one here is going to do it counterclockwise, so that means that you have to actually operate it in this fashion. If you go the opposite way and try and cut back on it, it is simply going to roll over the material you want to cut. So here we go. Just like that. Now, unlike a grinder, this will not grind any material. So the cutoff blade is only a cutoff blade. So this will have to get filed, or we use a bench grinder if we had one. So that's the only disadvantage of this blade. Otherwise, it is easy to hold in one hand, and it is a pretty good tool. There we go. Now we're just going to file those off, and then we can put them on the drawer. Nice. So, if you got one of these, check it out. Give it a whirl. Handy thing.